For the week 2 group assignment, we were able to populate the backlog of our Jira Scrum board. We were also able to create sprints for the group, which go over the weekly tasks and assignments that we're doing. We're currently still working on populating the sprint board. We do have our backlog set up though with the tasks that are assigned on the D2L, so that way we know what our general outline for the course is. As for our class notes, we did include and create a class notes document that we will populate with each of the tasks that are included on the D2L, and then go through them as collaboratively and fill them in. We were able to complete all the tasks, and we have worked on creating a timeline and goals. We will continue to add to these timeline and goals, and so we'll insert when each one is done. As for this week, the individual contributions were as follows. John was in charge of meeting notes. The weekly update video filming and editing was Logan Horsley. The populating the sprint board and preparing for the next time was Madison Goldsmith. Finalizing the project idea with group help and guidance from Jack Douglas. So basically he will be helping us kind of figure out what more is in suspension, because he knows that a tiny bit better than all the rest of us. And then our scheduling will be on Isaac Orozco. Here is our schedule. We have decided to create a schedule in our Google Docs. This is so that way we can change it as our schedules do change. Here's our general availability. We will be figuring out when a good time to meet each week is, at least once or twice a week, to go over this idea and to go over our meetings. As for creating future documentation and as for creating new ideas and populating what we need, we do have a Google Drive that we share, so that way we can include every single document that we create and improve and edit as we go along. As for next week, we are trying to establish our goals and get the scope of our project down. We will be finalizing our project with Professor Fecker-Mondi, and we will be going from there. We will continue to have our meetings for next week, and we will continue to record and update meeting notes as we go.